Here's how to install Windows from a DVD. I've got a DVD that I've burnt. It's got the Windows 11 24H2 Enterprise files on it. Insert that one. The computer's off at the moment. I'm just going to turn it on by pressing the power button here. And then as soon as I do that, I want to press the F9 key on the keyboard. I'm going to keep pressing it until entering boot menu appears in the left hand corner there. I can stop pressing it when that comes up. I've set a 5-second delay on these computers to give us about 5 seconds to press that key. Otherwise, it's really easy to miss it. Now from here, we're going to select the DVD RW drive and then press any key on the keyboard quickly so that it loads the DVD. It's easy to miss that one as well. If you miss it, you'll have to start the process again. Now it's going to load the files from the DVD, but it's going to take a couple of minutes. So don't worry if you just get stuck on this screen. You should hear the DVD drive churning, and you might see this little light here. So it is loading the contents from the disk. It should take a couple of minutes. You'll start to see the Windows loading circle. We're now in the Windows pre-installation environment. This is like the setup process of Windows now. It's defaulted to English United States because that's what the ISO has. That's the language of the installation media. But we can change the time and currency format to English Australia. It's not super important, but I like to do it. It'll ensure that the time zone is correct, but you can always change it later. And what I just did there is I clicked on next for the keyboard or input method. Just leave that as US, because that's the type of keyboard that we use. Now we'd like to install Windows 11. You'll have to agree that everything will be deleted. It's going to wipe the hard drive of the computer. And then click on next. Accept the license terms. Here it's just found the hard drive that's in the computer, disk 0, and disk 0 has already been partitioned. That makes sense because Windows was already installed on it. We're going to delete every single one of these partitions. So just click on the partition and then go up to delete partition until you have just one big unallocated space there of 238.5 or so gigabytes. Now when we click on next, it's going to automatically partition that disk. And then we're ready to install. Now it's going to copy all the files from that DVD over to the computer's hard drive to install Windows 11.